Please stand by. Please stand by. The following message is transmitted at the request of United States government. This is not a test. I say again, this is not a test. The North American Aerospace Defense Command have launched 191 nuclear missiles have been launched from Russia, China, and North Korea. These missiles will expected to hit following locations in 1 hour. The cities will include, in Hawaii, Honolulu, and Hilo. In Alaska, Anchorage, Juneau, and Fairbanks. In Washington, Seattle, Spokane, and Olympia. In Oregon, Portland, Salem, Oregon City, and Eugene. In California, San Francisco, Los Angeles, Oakland, Eureka, Redding, Fresno, San Diego, San Jose, Sacramento, Bakersfield, Long Beach, Stockton, and Glendale. In Nevada, Reno, Carson City, and Las Vegas. In Idaho, Boise, and Idaho Falls. In Arizona, Phoenix, Tucson, and Scottsdale. In Utah, Salt Lake City, and West Valley City. In Colorado, Denver, and Colorado Springs. In Montana, Helena, and Billings. In New Mexico, Albuquerque, and Santa Fe. In Texas, Austin, Dallas, Fort Worth, Houston, El Paso, Corpus Christi, Amarillo, Lubbock, Plano, and San Antonio. In Wyoming, Casper, and Cheyenne. In Oklahoma, Oklahoma City, Norman, Tulsa, and Bartlesville. In North Dakota, Bismarck, Fargo, and Grand Forks. In South Dakota, Pierre, Rapid City, Watertown, and Sioux Falls. In Iowa, Des Moines, Cedar Rapids, Sioux City, and Davenport. In Nebraska, Omaha, Lincoln, and North Platte. In Minnesota, Minneapolis, St. Paul, Duluth, Rochester, Mankato, International Falls, and St. Cloud. In Kansas, Wichita, and Topeka. In Missouri, Jefferson City, St. Louis, Joplin, and Kansas City. In Wisconsin, Madison, Milwaukee, Green Bay, La Crosse, and Eau Claire. In Arkansas, Little Rock, and Hot Springs. In Illinois, Chicago, Springfield, Joliet, and Rockford. In Kentucky, Frankfort, Louisville, and Lexington. In Michigan, Detroit, Lansing, Grand Rapids, and Ann Arbor. In Indiana, Indianapolis, and Fort Wayne. In Ohio, Cincinnati, Columbus, Cleveland, and Toledo. In Tennessee, Nashville, Knoxville, and Memphis. In Pennsylvania, Philadelphia, Pittsburgh, Harrisburg, Allentown, and Scranton. In New York, Albany, New York City, Syracuse, Rochester, and Buffalo. In New Jersey, Trenton, Atlantic City, Newark, and Princeton. In West Virginia, Charleston, Morgantown, Parkersburg, Clarksburg, and Fairmont. In Virginia, Virginia Beach, Richmond, Charlottesville, Lynchburg, Roanoke, and Fredericksburg. In Maryland, Annapolis, Baltimore, Bethesda, and Ocean City. In Delaware, Dover, and Wilmington. In North Carolina, Raleigh, Charlotte, Asheville, Greensboro, Fayetteville, and Wilmington. In South Carolina, Charleston, Columbia, Greenville, Myrtle Beach, and Florence. In Georgia, Atlanta, Savannah, Augusta, Macon, and Athens. In Florida, Tampa, Clearwater, Miami, Orlando, Daytona Beach, Sarasota, Fort Myers, Tallahassee, Jacksonville, and Pensacola. In Alabama, Montgomery, Huntsville, Birmingham, and Mobile. In Mississippi, Jackson, Biloxi, and Hattiesburg. In Louisiana, Baton Rouge, Shreveport, and New Orleans. In Massachusetts, Boston. In Rhode Island, Providence. In Connecticut, Hartford, and Bridgeport. In New Hampshire, Concord, and Manchester. In Vermont, Burlington, and Montpelier. In Maine, Augusta, and Portland, and Washington, D.C. At this time, all residents are advised to seek a fallout shelter. Fallout is product of nuclear attacks. Prolonged exposure to fallout, result of certain death. If cannot find a fallout shelter local authorizes will lead you to one. Take a food, water, clothing, medical supplies, flashlight, blankets, and battery-powered radio with you. Do not go outside because your eyes will blind forever. This station will go off the air until further notice. This is the national emergency for all of United States. Sign off.